Hello lovely people, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get this look. It's so dark and bold and intense and I love it. Today I'm gonna be focusing mainly on the eye makeup, but all of the products that I'm wearing on my face will be down in the description box as always. I wanted to show you a look which would be suitable for a night out or if you're going out at the club. I mean, you can definitely wear this look throughout the day, but it's just something a little bit darker, a little bit bolder, and I think that it's very suitable if you're going out at night. It's like the night sky is printed on my eyes. It's so pretty. I really hope you guys like it, and without losing any time, let's go ahead and jump right into a tutorial. Let's go. Oh hi, hello. Oh, what happened here? It's my fringe actually. This doesn't look cute. Some of you guys are asking me what happened with my fringe, why I'm not wearing it. I still absolutely love it, but the truth is nobody told me that I would need to straighten it up 5 times throughout the day so that I can make it look presentable. Nobody told me that before I got fringe. I'm over exaggerating, but you know, I need to take care of it, and I have zero patience when it comes to my hair. I don't know, it takes too much time and effort to style my hair. Like, I can do my makeup for hours, but my hair, no. I wanna be really quick with my hair. Like, okay, ready, done, let's go. Wherever we need to go. Anyways, I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. So let me do the close-up thing right here. And I'm just gonna blend it out. Alright, I'm not gonna set that concealer. I'm gonna let it feel sticky. I know how that sounds, but it's a good thing if your primer feels sticky, because that means that it will grab the eyeshadows, it will make them pop, it will make the colors look beautiful and saturated. So you want your primer to feel sticky. And for today's look, I'm gonna be using the Nabla Secret Palette. Ooh. Look at that packaging, guys. It's so pretty, right? I absolutely love the packaging. Look at those little leaves shining in certain lighting. Can you see it? So cute. Okay, anyways, here are the colors inside. They're gorgeous, and I'm gonna start off by using this nice beige color. This is going to be my transition color, so I'm gonna load it in a like small blending brush. This is like a regular blending brush, it's not small, it's regular. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place that color in my crease right here. Okay, and see, I'm gonna press that brush on my skin. I'm not gonna try to blend it just yet. So I'm pressing it on my skin. Press. And then I'm gonna use small circular motions to kind of diffuse that color further to my brow. But I don't want to reach my brow with that color. Okay, just fading it upwards. And I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. I know that some of you guys will be asking, but I have no idea where I got this brush from. I think that, oh, it actually says, hold on, the BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. I think that it came in a set, like BH Cosmetics marble brush kind of set. Yeah, if you go on their website, you'll probably find them. They're very affordable. I like BH Cosmetics. They have very affordable stuff. So I'm blending. Okay, you don't need to be very precise with this color. You just want to use it as your first transition shade. You can be a little bit more messy, you can be a little bit more rough with your eyelids, although you probably don't want to be, because you know that's not a good thing. You don't want to be rough with your skin. Always use a very light hand and be gentle, especially with the skin around your eyes. I recently got some new Nabla brushes. I really want to try them out for today's video, but I need to go and get them, so be right back. Here they are. They come in this really cool case. See, they're super sized and tiny, and I love tiny brushes. Like, see this one, so nice. It's great for more detailed stuff that you want to do, and I'm gonna actually use it today. So I'm gonna dip it in this nice brown shade right here, and I'm adding it again in my crease. Oh my god, this brush is so soft. Yeah, I'm adding it in my crease, but trying to keep it below that first eyeshadow that I applied. Okay, I already love this brush. It reminds me a lot of the Morphe M507. You guys know how much I love this brush. They're almost the same, but I feel like the Nabla one is a little bit more soft than the Morphe. And now I'm going back to that first brush that I used. I'm gonna take some of that first color as well. I'm gonna diffuse the darker brown shade that I just added. Again, circular motions and taking my time with this step. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to a bigger and fluffier blending brush. This is the Morphe Y19, and I'm gonna just make sure that there are no harsh lines and everything is nicely blended. Just going back and forth and diffusing everything out. It's very important to use a clean brush for this step. I'm gonna take some more of that brown color and again placing it lower in my crease. These eyeshadows are so pigmented. Doing the same thing, taking that first blending brush that I used in the first color and blending out again. And one more time going with that big blending brush over everything. Okay, I know it looks so dark and intense, but that's exactly what you came here for, right? As you probably saw in the intro, today we're going for a very intense eye look. Okay, I can't stand this hair looking like that. Boom. So much better. Okay, I'm gonna take with my finger the shade called Rosemary from that Nabla palette. Check it out. Woo! See, I'm not lying when I'm telling you that these eyeshadows are super pigmented. This is just one layer. Applying some eyeshadows with your fingers is great, especially with the shimmery or the foiled eyeshadows. Using your finger to apply them will make them come out more pigmented, more intense. But there is one very annoying part when applying your eyeshadows with your finger. Okay, at least for me, I don't know about you, but my finger is a little bit too large to reach in this little tiny inner corner here. Okay, I always need to switch to a smaller brush and use it in that little area there. I can still use my finger, but I'm gonna mess it up. It's going to be really messy because, as I said, my finger is too large for that area there and it's annoying. Okay, now let's blend the eyelid color with the crease color, getting rid of any harsh lines, and that's it. Alright, everything is slowly coming up together. The next step is totally optional. You guys don't need to do that if you don't want, but I want to add some extra sparkliness to this look. So I'm taking this ColourPop Supernova liquid eyeshadow in the shade Mothership. Now this eyeshadow is super similar to what I'm already wearing on my eyelids. Like, see, I'm gonna swatch them for you so that you can see. So here is this ColourPop liquid eyeshadow in the shade Mothership, this one here, and this is what I'm already wearing on my eyes. See, they're very similar, but the ColourPop eyeshadow has a little bit more shimmers inside. It looks a little bit more sparkling, so that's why I want to add it on top. You guys. So here's the difference with that liquid eyeshadow and without it. You know, it's just those sparkles. And you guys know that I love sparkles. I don't know what it is about sparkles, but I'm obsessed with sparkling stuff. Like, if something sparkles, I want it. I need to have it. And if I can make my eyelids look sparkly, I'm gonna do it. You know that I'm gonna do it. Now, that's an intense look. It looks very intense but not completed. So don't worry, everything will come together. I'm telling you, once we add falsies to this look, it's going to look so good, so much more completed. But before we do that, let's go ahead and apply some winged eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Balm Schwink liquid eyeliner for this step. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my lashes, coating them with some mascara. Now today I'm gonna be wearing a kind of dramatic pair of lashes. Whenever I want to wear lashes which are a little bit more bold and long and fluffy, I'm always thinking of Huda Beauty. She has great lash styles, and to be honest, I think that I like all of her lash styles. All of them are really beautiful. She has more bold lash styles in general. Like, her lashes are usually more long and more intense, and whenever I want a little bit more drama, a little bit more lash situation, I'm always going with the Huda Beauty lashes. Today I'm gonna be wearing the style Farah, this one here, number 12. I've already worn them once, but that doesn't matter because you can use them over and over and over again. The quality is definitely there. And one of my favorite tools for applying my falsies is this one here by Velour Lashes. It's so good. I don't usually use this part. I think that it's kind of useless, but I like, you know, grabbing my lashes with this and applying them. It's very convenient. I've used it so much and for so long. Usually here it says Velour Lashes, you can't see it anymore. I probably had it for years and it's great. Alright, lashes are on. Now let's go ahead and finish up with the face makeup. I already have my foundation and concealer and eyebrows. I started with all of that done so that we can save some time. But let's go ahead and contour, bronze, blush, highlight. So for contour, I'm gonna take the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. I love this palette! Especially this contouring shade here. It's my favorite color from the whole palette. I've been using it the most. So many baby hairs! Going back to that Nabla Secret palette, I need to take a smaller brush for this one. Something like this will work perfectly. I got this brush on eBay so many years ago, like probably 5 years ago, and look at it. It's still nice and healthy and beautiful. It turned out to be a great quality. Anyways, I don't know if they still have them on eBay, but I'm gonna take with it some of that first eyeshadow that I used, and I'm gonna smudge it under my eyes. Taking some of that darker brown color, again applying it along my lower lashes. And now taking this fluffy brush, it's the Sigma E25, and I'm gonna just blend everything out. Tightlining my waterline. I used the Urban Decay Game of Thrones Dragon Smoke eye pencil, yeah. And of course, some mascara on my lower lashes. Today, I won't be wearing any blush, but I'm gonna use some bronzer just to kind of blend my contour further on my cheeks. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Milk Chocolate bronzer. It smells fantastic, and I'm a little bit hungry, and this makes me even more hungry. For highlighter, I'll use this one here. It's by Il Maquillage. It's their Metal Baked Highlighter in the shade Halo. Alright, and I'm gonna also bring that highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone. For lip liner today, I'm gonna go with this one here by Technique. It's their lip liner in the shade Showgirl. Now guys, this lip liner is huge. See what I mean? Here is an average lip liner, and check out that Technique lip liner. It's really long. Like, I don't know if you can tell through the camera, but it's like, it's the size of my head. I'm also bringing it all over my lips. For lipstick, Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sugar. I got setting spray in my coffee. Should I drink it now? Alright, and this is our final look. Guys, I love my hair today. The other day, I got this waver, and this is the second time that I'm using it. This is the second time that I'm curling my hair with it, and I love it. I love how my hair looks when I'm using this thing. It makes it so voluminous and so like, it looks like I have much more hair than I actually do. That's what I'm going for when I'm styling my hair, volume. I want volume. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press that bell button which is right next to the subscribe button, because if you do, you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All of the links down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!